This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jill Turner. Less than bedroom greater than in Bill Foxworthy. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2 full bath and unit condo is delightful. Vaulted ceiling in the great room and a spacious master bedroom with ensuite bathroom on the main level. Laundry room is also on the main across from the master. An enclosed 3-season room can be used almost all year round. Bonus storage room upstairs with another 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Attached 2-car garage has storage as well. This home is move-in ready and conveniently located to nearby shopping with easy access to the interstate. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jill Turner. Less than bedroom greater than in Bill Foxworthy at 317-446-7171.